Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI in Pixlr. So it's quite simple, all you have to do is follow along and without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself. Let's go to the photos. Let's tap this photo over here. There's literally at the right bottom corner, you can see AI tools. This is how you use an AI in Pixlr. So let's type in there. There's so many options, like there are 4 options. One is center to fill, so let's tap in that. So in here you can tap in this rectangular thing and you can tap in any object you want to replace it. So let's tap rectangular. Let's say I'm gonna remove this building. Simply tap in that, hit next, and you can insert prompt what you want to replace it with and hit generate, and it will remove like that. And another option is you can simply go back to remove object. You can also remove object from the AI. You can remove background. You can also like face swap. So this is how you use AI in Pixlr. It's very simple. Now I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.